And Dina, this is where I think it'd be interesting to hear about how you work with people to plan their next year, because this is the perfect time of year to be having that conversation. And I'm actually, in the past years, I've run a one-day session for people about real estate investing. What are you going to do in the following year? And I haven't actually committed to that this year. And people say, are you going to do something? So, I'm thinking I'll probably do it more online so more people can participate and use it as a pre-launch and let the audience start to tell me what my 2019 might need to look like for product offerings.
Well, you can always join mine, John, and see how I do it. But
I was waiting
I did it last year. Let me just tell you, I did it last year without a launch. I just spoke to some people, just sent out some emails. And it was absolutely amazing. It was the people, I only had about 4 people who did it, but they all loved it. They all used it. And all of them said that, and that's the beauty of the plan, because in the end you see a whole year at a glance.
Yes.
And all of them, their businesses, 2 of them, their businesses changed direction. And they still use the principles to update their plan. Because it gives you that step back. It gives you that bird's eye view that you can see, what do you plan? Where does this fit in now? How can I move this launch to this block here, this month here? And it just makes it, it takes away the overwhelm of everything swimming in your head and you actually don't know when will I have time for this. It also helps people to plan their launch, their marketing. I mean, like if you plan a seed launch, so you have to 2-3 months before start doing a survey. So you need to sort of put that in your plan. And I did this for myself because I found that I was running in crisis mode all the time. I was lost in my details and I was missing opportunities because I was never ready. I wake up some mornings and I think, what am I selling? And there's nothing to sell. And if I start selling now, it's going to take me 2 months before I'm ready. So it's to really be prepared in your business for also for unforeseen circumstances that come in. That
so Dina,